guys, hello, hi. Okay, so today we're going to talk about probability. Yeah, what's probability?
Probability is probability.
Yeah?
The
What's
percent you're gonna get a thingy.
Percentage, yeah, well done, percentage. So it's basically the number of times that one event occurs. Yeah, so it basically the number of times an event occurs. Yeah.
Event occurs.
Yeah, divided by, okay, I'm gonna divide it by total number of events. Yeah, something like roughly. Okay, for example, like so if you flip a coin, what's the probability of the coin being the heads?
50%.
50%. Yeah, because 50%. So there are the total number of events that could be what? So how many possibilities are there? There are two, right? So one, the coins being heads is 50%. One of two. Okay. Okay. So the dice. Yeah, we're going to roll a dice. So how many possibility of rolling a dice? How many? Six. Yes. And how many? The percentage of rolling a six? 1 over 6. Yeah, 1 over 6.
Oh yeah, boy.
So if I have two dice and I roll it two times, what's the probability? Well, okay, so
36.
Yeah. One is basically is 1 over 6 times 1 over 6. Yeah, times 1 over 6. So rolling a 2 6 at a time. And how about if I add roll it one more time, like roll it 3 times? What's the probability of being 3 6 in a row? What's the probability of being a 3 6 in a row? Come on.
260.
Yeah. Wow, you're quick at math. Yeah. So
Yeah,
basically
I'm
you
quick
can.
because I'm smart.
Okay, you're smart. So basically you times 1 over 6 power to 3. Yeah. Okay. So now, so listen up. Cubic. Yeah. Now listen up. So what's the probability of rolling 3 dice, but at least there are 2 6 in a row? So you'll be something like 6 6 something. Okay, or something 6 6 or
6 6 6.
yeah. Okay, so
6 6 6.
okay, so now this question mark here. Okay, this question mark here is not 6, not being 6. Okay, so what if I roll a dice, and then what's the probability of it not being 6?
5 6.
Why 5 over 6? Yeah, exactly, because 1 over 6 is the being 6, and 1 minus 1 over 6. So basically this is 1 minus 1 over 6. Yeah, yeah, easy. Okay, so yeah, so we just have to add up these 3 odds. Yeah, 3 odds. Yeah. So what's the probability? So look, are these two the same? The probability of being something 6 6 or 6 6 something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what's the probability of rolling 2 6? The first 6, second 6, as we said, 1 over 6 times 1 over 6. Yeah. 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 And then what's the probability the third one not being 6?
5 6.
Okay. And then look, this one is the same. Yeah. This one is the same. Yeah. The second one. Yeah. Because there. Alright. The odds of the second and the third one being 6 is the same. Yeah. As the first and the second one 6. Alright. What's the probability of triple 6?
3 6.
Yeah. Times that, like that, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Got it. And what's the probability of rolling a 2 6 in a row? Rolling a 2 6, yeah, in a row. So it's adding these together, yeah. Yeah. Am I right, Eric? Make sense? So let's see what's the probability of being. So print.
Yeah.
Print. Okay. So we just have to this one, yeah. This one. Add this one. Okay, in times 2 is the same, and add this one, yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so this is the probability, roughly 5%. Yeah, 5%. Got it?
And ends with 2.
Ends at 2. Okay. Okay, now
it's a long one.
Yeah.
That ends at 2.
This. Okay, so this digit, it's so small, so tiny, so trivial. Yeah, so trivial. Okay, so that we can prove this. We can prove this accuracy using the brute force. First, basically, we just simulate rolling the dice. So for the first one, in range 1 to 7, right? Because there are 6 possibilities. If we roll the first one, we can roll the second one in range again 1 to 6, 1 to 7, yeah? Because 1 to 6, yeah? Why this parameter is 7? Do you still recall? The range function. Because what?
7.
Yeah, so it's up to 7, not including, yeah? Yeah, okay. For third in range 1 7, the third digit. Okay, now we just have to check, alright? If first alright, equals second
Oh yeah.
equals 6, right? I think this is can I know? Or second equals third. I'm not sure can we write this like that? Okay, so then we have this event just 2 6 2 6 plus equal 1. Okay, what's the total number of possibilities? Do you still recall? Doing three dice at a time. What's the total number of possibilities?
260.
Okay, so it's 1 times 6 times 6 times 6. Yeah. So basically, we just want to print the 2 6. Yeah, because this is 2 6 divided by total, right? Okay, so let's see if this is the same. Okay. 2 6 is not defined. Yeah, we have to define it because at the beginning this is 0. Yeah. Yeah, am I right? Okay, so look, it's the same, yeah? First equals second equals, so it's the same, okay?
Do it again. Run again.
Is it the same, yeah? It's the same, yeah, you see? It's the same,
Run
yeah?
again.
It's a runner. Yeah, it's the same. Okay?
Ooh.
Yeah, it's the same, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the time complexity of this one?
Oh yeah.
For this one? That's a very trick one. What's the time complexity of this?
6 times 6 times 6.
6 times 6 times 6.
We're done. Oh, 6 times 6 times 6. So we don't say that. So which is what?
N times n times n.
What?
N cubic.
6 cubic.
No, there's no n here. What's the
1.
time?
Six.
Oh, 1.
Oh,
What?
1.
There's no cubic. Oh, 1 cubic is 1, yeah?
Oh, 1.
Yeah, oh, 1 times 1 times. Oh, 1 cubic. Because it's constant. Why is that? Because the problem is fixed. We are rolling 3 dice. That's it. You can't scale up, okay? So let's...
Yeah, because it's simple math.
It's a simple math. We're done. That's a
Because
simple
it's
math.
1 plus 1
Yeah, because look at...
is 2.
Because look, we are just iterating the total number...
Complexity.
Okay, look. That we are iterating this total number of times, which is
It has the
216,
orange
yeah?
line.
Yeah, we're just iterating that number of loops, yeah? So that's the number of iterations that these piece of code runs. So it's 01. It's fixed. There's no n, right? So it's
fixed.
constant. It's constant. Okay. So we can make this problem a little bit more interesting, like rolling n dices, right? Not 3 dices. Or rolling n dices to find out the probability of being 2 6 in a row. Okay. So that's too complicated for today. Now we're going to deep dive later in the future, right? So in that case, we introduce the variable which is n, right? N is the number of dices. Do you understand? Yeah. Yeah. Do you understand? Yeah. Okay. So that'll be for today. Good job. Okay. Say bye bye.